Hi guys, today we're going to talk about expectation of random variables. So let's define our experiment. We're going to take a coin and we're going to toss it twice. The sample space that we get from there is head head, head tail, tail head, or a tail tail, right? Let's also define a probability measure under which probability of getting a head is half and probability of getting a tail is also half. Since these two coin tosses are independent, we could write the probability of a head head as probability of a head times probability of a head. That would be half times half equals 1 by 4. You would also notice that since probability of a head and probability of a tail are both half, probability of all of these outcomes would be 1 by 4 as well. So we could write it as probability of head tail equals probability of tail head equals probability of a tail tail. So they are all equal to 1 by 4. So in other words, we could write probability of any outcome omega as 1 by 4 under this measure. Now we would like to calculate the expected value of a random variable. So let's define the random variable. Let's say we have a stock that at time 0 is basically valued at 4. Now if we get a head in any coin toss, then the stock will jump and become twice. Okay, so if we get a head, then the stock will become twice of what it was, so it will become 8. And if it's a tail, it will become half, so it will go down to 2. Okay, similarly, so if we again get a head, the stock will again double up and it will become 16. If it's a tail, it will become half, it will become 4. Likewise here, if we get a head, so which is S1 TH, the value will again become a 4, double of 2. And if we get another tail, it will become half of 2 and it will be 1. So now I would like to calculate what is the expected value of S2. Okay, I want to calculate, so we can get any one of these 4 outcomes, and these 4 outcomes, the values taken by S2 would be 16, 4 and 1, and I would like to calculate what is the expected value of this. So the way we do this is, we need to take the value of the random variable and we need to take a weighted average of that random variable where the weights are the probabilities of those outcomes. So in other words, we need to take the value of the random variable in various outcomes, okay, and we need to weight it by its probability of that particular outcome. So it would be S2 HT, probability of HT